Ever wondered why vaginas are as diverse as the women they belong to? Well, let's dive in and explore the beautiful diversity of vaginal anatomy. Just as no two faces are identical, no two vaginas are the same either. Some individuals may have larger inner lips or labia minora than their outer lips, or labia majora, while others may have the exact opposite. Both variations are entirely normal and natural. You may have also noticed that the skin around the vaginal area often appears darker than the rest of the body. This is completely natural and is often a result of friction and hormonal changes, especially during puberty and adulthood. It's important to note that trying to bleach or lighten the skin is not advisable due to its sensitivity. Doing so can lead to irritation, itching, and even dermatitis. The diversity of the vagina is a testament to the uniqueness of every individual. It's a reminder that there is no standard template for what a vagina should look like. Instead, each one is unique with its own set of characteristics, just like the individual it belongs to. As we continue this conversation, remember that it's essential to understand and appreciate this diversity. It's about acknowledging that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to vaginas, and each one is unique and perfectly normal. So embrace this diversity and remember to care for your body in a way that feels right for you. What's the real deal with pubic hair? Is it unhygienic, or does it serve a purpose? Well, let's debunk some misconceptions. Pubic hair isn't a hygiene issue. In fact, it plays a protective role, acting as a barrier against harmful organisms that could enter the urethra or vagina. Now, if you prefer a smooth landscape, that's fine too. It's all about personal choice. For those who prefer removal, trimming with clippers is recommended over shaving, which could lead to cuts and increase the risk of infections. And for those who want a more permanent solution, laser hair removal is a popular choice. But remember, it's crucial to seek out a reputable provider to avoid any unpleasant complications like burns. So whether to keep or remove pubic hair is entirely a personal choice, and neither option is right or wrong. It's your body, and you get to decide what feels right for you. Now, how about maintaining the health of this diverse organ? It's simpler than you might think. The key is gentle care. Imagine you're washing a delicate piece of fabric. You wouldn't use a harsh detergent, would you? The same principle applies here. Start with lukewarm water and a mild unscented soap. This combo is just right, as it's enough to clean without causing irritation. Remember, the skin in this area is sensitive, so treat it kindly. Now, here comes the part most people get wrong: using scented soaps or fragranced washes. While these products might smell lovely, they're not so sweet for your vagina. They can disrupt the natural pH balance, leading to irritation and even infections. And speaking of smells, let's debunk a common myth: the belief that your vagina should smell like roses or peaches or anything other than what it naturally does. The truth is, a healthy vagina has a natural scent, and it's nothing to be embarrassed about. It doesn't need masking with strong fragrances. So to sum it up, be gentle, avoid scented products, respect the natural pH balance, and embrace your body's natural scent. These are the cornerstones of good vaginal hygiene. In the end, taking care of your genital area is essential for your overall health and well-being. Embrace the diversity of your body and make choices that feel right for you.